So this is the home page of my website, which is KiriaWarner.com, and I just have a basic picture on the front of it. And then over here is my blog. I only have one blog post on there right now, and it just has some filler text on it. And then over here is my contact and about page. I combined my contact and my about page because I'm not quite sure which direction I want to take my website right now, and so I'm holding off on putting more information up there. Over here is my shop. None of these things are actually for sale, but they're just a couple of different pictures that I took. So the first one is one of my sister, and I have a coupon on it. And then I also have my checkout set up and my cart. So the main reason why I set up this blog post was simply just because the main reason why I set up my website was just because I wanted to learn more about how to do WordPress and the different aspects of web design. I kind of wanted to get into that a little bit. I don't know a whole lot about WordPress, and so this was really helpful for me. I think one of the most difficult things for me this semester was just learning how to work with WordPress. Again, I'm not very experienced with it, so it was all kind of new to me. Something I really enjoyed about this is that I learned a lot about just the way WordPress works, and I learned that web design is really not as difficult as I thought it was, and so that was really exciting to figure out. And I also learned a lot about just how marketing works and just how easy it is to track things with your websites. I didn't really know that people did that, so that was really interesting. And so yeah, this is my website.